I'm gonna get out. I want to get pictures. I'm locked in. How come we're locked in? I don't know, and I don't know how to unlock us. It didn't work for me. Wow. I love lightning storms. But those big boomers at the house scared the daylights out of me. Wow.
I get one every once in a while. You just gotta collect it.
Wow. This is a storm like I haven't seen in a lot of years.
They're getting pretty heavy.
But they're staying, all of them, now up above. And they're building static. There's a static charge building up there, and it wouldn't surprise me. Now, if we lived down on the prairie, I wouldn't be shocked at all if we didn't end up with a tornado, but we won't get that here. There's 3 big fires up on the mountain that I can see right now. Hi. It's just all around us. It's crazy. Wow. Worst of it's over. The big boomers. Oh, I've been taking video.
Oh.
Do you want to get this on video for me?
No, go ahead.
My arm's tired.
Yeah, well, then that's enough, I guess.
That was a big bolt. Wow, that was pretty. Cool, dude. I love it when you make things like this.
Yeah,
Oh, they've got people up there fighting them now.
yeah, have to have got to. That
Yeah.
one might be a little harder. Look how quick it's spreading out.
The big one or the little one?
The big one.
There's several of them up there, Tab. You just got to get up higher where you can see.
Let's do that one right there and then that. Where's the other ones? That's all. It's just those two there.